Hi there, welcome back to a new resort tour video.
Yes.
We're staying at Copper Creek in Wilderness Lodge.
Yep.
So we thought we'd just give you a little wander around, just show you what's what and what we think of the place.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy this video. Let us know if you've stayed here as well.
I would like to stay here.
Yeah, or would like to stay here. And if you're thinking of staying, we hope this video has helped you.
And any questions, please just leave comments below.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we've got the main car park out the front. As you can see, it's busy. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. So you've got people still needing to check out, and you've potentially got people that have arrived early to go and have a full day in the park. Parking, we've not struggled to find a place, but it's not as easy as some
busy.
resorts. It's busy. You can't park close generally, can you?
No, but it's not that far.
No, but we haven't not been able to park.
No.
But yeah, it's not as easy as some resorts. You have got then this lovely walk up to Wilderness Lodge, the lodge itself. It is beautiful. It's a very peaceful resort, I would say. We've just walked out of the lobby just a moment ago, and there is some fun and activities going on in the restaurant just inside, but it's a nice noise. I wouldn't say I've ever felt hustle and bustle like I do at the Poly or sometimes the Beach Club. I've never experienced that. It can feel busy, but it doesn't feel quite so loud as some of the other popular resorts. It's got quite a distinctive smell. It doesn't smell like a lot of the other resorts. It's more woody and smoky. There's the Whispering Canyon Cafe. It's quite a popular one. Like I said, you hear the noise, but it's a nice noise. Chippendale down there at the moment. I haven't actually seen them in this resort before. It was a nice surprise this morning. A great big totem pole. On the 7th floor, that's club level. We've got Daisy in here as well. That's so sweet. I love the seating in here. There's lots of artifacts and things. We were told that the lobby here, was it based on a lodge from Yellowstone Park? Love the fire. The fire goes all year round. It's really cozy, sat there in the evenings. It is a really lovely resort. Oh, that's really sweet seeing Daisy and Chips there. And then you've also got like the little bridge here, which is really sweet. You've got here Artist Point. That's where you have storybook dining, which I will also insert footage from, and also the bar as well. So the bar there is open currently 4 till 10, and it's right next to Artist Point, the storybook dining. It's quite a small bar, and they do offer some light bites as well. Beautiful artwork all around, which is really cool. Get up and have a look around in the artwork boxes. They're really cool, the displays, what they've got, and have a look up at the ceiling as well if ever you're in there, and go and take a look at the maps. The food, I mean, it's just light bites. There's nothing huge, but it looked quite nice sort of like fake wood menus, which are quite cool as well, and they offer some really good cocktails. All of the bars seem to have their own signature cocktails. Is quite cool. It's got a really nice feeling in there, and then it joins onto the storybook dining restaurant, which is amazing. The food is so good. It has to be one of our best dining experiences ever. It's a shared starter, shared desserts, and then you choose your main course, and then you've got the characters as well. It really is the best character interaction we've ever had in a Disney. So far, it's our favorite character dining meal we've ever had in Disney. Highly recommend. We've loved sitting out on the rocking chairs here with our drinks. That was really fun, wasn't it? We found with this resort, there's lots of really nice seating areas, lots of them. Like even on the 4th floor, we went to do laundry, which I will also include footage of, just so you can see where the laundry rooms are. And we also found a really secluded area, didn't we? Where we just sat by the fire while we waited for the tumble dryer one day. It was so nice, but there's lots and lots of little areas to escape and just relax, which I think is really important when you're at Disney. But look at this. How beautiful is this? There's another little bridge there, and just below this is the main pool. So the laundry facilities are in different areas in all the different hotels. We're up on the 4th floor in Wilderness Lodge. They've got the machines, there's wash machines, tumble dryers. It's all run by an app, so you can go somewhere and you can see how long you've got. If you're staying in a DVC resort, even if you're not DVC, the machines are free to use. You have to pay if you haven't obviously bought your own laundry detergent, but you can use the machines for free. Anywhere else you need to pay for them, but it's really handy to have. And yeah, we have used the laundry facilities quite a few times. I just wanted to show you a couple of the little seating areas that we found. So there was this one that I just saw by the laundry area, and then we just thought we would wander, and look, there's just little seats everywhere where you can just sit and enjoy the lobby, and it's just a complete escape. One of those moments where you're in Disney but you're taking a step away from Disney and relaxing. We had our resort mugs on us, and it was just so nice wandering around. You can see there's little stairs and things as well, so you can walk down to different levels. Loved this little bit here. You could actually walk down to the lobby. It was all just so sweet. And then as we walked around, we found another one as well, which we really loved. It's just so fun exploring the resorts. If you haven't been to a Disney resort, anyone is welcome to go in for a wander. Obviously, you can't use the facilities. You can't just rock up and park at a resort, but you can use the Disney transportation. I really urge you just to go and have a nose. They are absolutely beautiful, and it's a really lovely escape from the busy parks. And then we're just going to wander down to the quick serve. And the quick serve is called the Roaring Fork. There's decent seating inside and lots of seating outside, which we really like. There's the Roaring Fork there. We're going to go and do our refillable mug, and lots of seating outside and seating along here as well. There's a really cute merch store here. It's just got some really good things. It's one of our favourite stores, actually, when it comes to the resort stores. There are 2 pools at Wilderness Lodge. This is the main pool, which is just right outside the back of the hotel. And this is where you have all the activities, all the music. It's the busiest pool out of all of them. Really fun. There's a little kiddie area around the back as well, which is really nice. And then if you follow the pathway around, you also come to the dock where you can get the boat to Magic Kingdom. It's a very pretty resort, very relaxing, as you can see. We do really love staying here. It's really special. And although it's really close to Magic Kingdom, it does feel like you are kind of escaping Disney. It feels like one of the slower resorts, which we really like. So you can just see down there, that's where you get the boat, and then you can follow the decking around, and then you'll get to see the kids play area. I did film this early in the morning before the pools were actually open. Under normal circumstances, you've got the water on the left hand side with the geysers, but it was actually under construction at the time. I think it was being fixed for something. So you can see the pool hours here, 10 till 10. That's for the main pool as well. There is another pool over by Boulder Ridge, and we'll come to that in a moment, and that's open earlier and later, but you don't have any music there. You do have cabanas. We actually prefer the quieter pool out of the 2, and generally as well you can find somewhere to sit. You can find a sunbed, whereas you can't often. We have been at this pool before and there's just no spare seats or beds anywhere. And we also find that there is a bit more shade on the other side, a lot more tables with brollies. This is the area outside Geyser Point. You could obviously bring your quick serve over here as well. There is a lot of seating in this resort, which we really like, and just being by the water makes it so relaxing. So we're coming up to Geyser Point. You've also got the campfire here. This is where it's open for an hour in the evening and you can do your s'mores. You can toast marshmallows for free. There's a cast member there to give you, or you can pay extra for the proper toasting kit, but we're quite happy with just the marshmallows. Then Geyser Point, which is one of our favourite places to come in Disney. It's a bar which is open. I think it's open until 11. I might be wrong. And then they've got a small menu. It's not a huge menu, but we've always had really good food here. Everything that we've had, we've really enjoyed. And it's just, again, such a nice relaxed atmosphere. You can use your refillable mugs. There is a refillable mug station just outside, and you've got this beautiful view. If you come in the evening, you also get the electrical light parade that comes past, which is really cool. But look how beautiful and relaxing this is. You've got the lobby here. This is all wilderness, and then you've got Copper Creek there, and this is Boulder Ridge, and then you've also got the cabins both sides. Thinking our room is at the end here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we just came out here to the store, and then it was easy to the bus, and then easy to the lobby,
Easy to the boat.
and because the door's there, easy to the quick serve, and like you say, easy to the boat. It was really good location, wasn't it?
So there's not too much difference between
No,
some
it's
of
not a
them, is there?
massive resort when you look
No.
at it, is it? Something Ade noticed yesterday, we were sat in the pool here, the fact that it's so secluded. A lot of the pools, anyone can just see you in the pool, but this feels quite private, so you wouldn't think there's a pool there.
This
We're
is the
walking
Boulder
past
Ridge
it.
pool,
Yeah,
isn't
this
it?
is the Boulder Ridge pool. It feels really secluded when you're in there. And the other thing, which is really important to us, how much shading is there in the afternoon?
Yeah, it's a nice amount of shading, like half of it I'd say. So.
Yeah, lots of trees, lots of cabanas which you don't have to pay extra for, loads of brollies. It's really nicely laid out, and loads of like little secluded areas,
for us
aren't there?
makes a difference, yeah.
Yeah, it really made a difference. Like yesterday afternoon, there was so much space there and loads of shading, wasn't there? And before we finish, we thought we'd give you a quick look at our studio. This was our first time staying in a studio in Copper Creek. Lovely big bathroom with a walk-in shower. We opted to have the walk-in shower. We had a big bed, and then the sofa pulls out into a bed as well. And then the only disadvantage was it was a half balcony, so it's bricked in, as you can see, and the other balconies aren't, and it just made the room feel quite dark. But it was quite a large size balcony. You can't obviously sit and have a coffee here either because you can't see out. But there you can look at the pool where we were just walking around. We did really enjoy our stay here. It's a beautiful studio. With it being a DVC studio as well, you do also get extras, things like the toaster, coffee making facilities, and you get cutlery and things like that as well, which is a really nice touch. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this little wander around with us.
Yeah.
Any questions, let us know. Thanks so much. Bye.